Welcome to Infigyan. Today in this video we are going to find side length AB and AC of the triangle ABC, whose side length BC is 2 units. Angle ACB equal to 45 degree and angle ABC equal to 30 degree. So let's get started with our method number 1. Here we are going to assume length AD equal to X. Now we will pick triangle ADB. In this triangle, if we find sine 30, which we know equal to half, equal to opposite over hypotenuse, so x over AB. So from here we can write AB will be equal to 2 times x. So here we can write this is 2x. Now in triangle ADC, if we will find tan 45, which we know equal to 1, as per triangle this is opposite over base, so x over CD. So from here CD will be equal to x. So here I can write x. If CD equal to x, then BD will be 2 minus x. Now in triangle ADB, we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. So we can write here 2x whole square will be equal to 2 minus x whole square plus x square. So 2x whole square is 4x square. 2 minus x whole square is 4 minus 4x plus x square plus x square. Now we will write x square plus x square 2x square in the LHS. So with minus sign. Then we have plus 4x equal to 4, which will be equal to 2x square plus 4x equal to 4. Equation is divisible by 2. So we will get x square plus 2x equal to 2. Now we are going to add 1 to both sides to complete one perfect square in LHS. Now LHS is x plus 1 whole square and RHS is 3. We'll take square root both sides. We will get x plus 1 equal to plus minus square root 3. Or we will write x will be equal to minus 1 plus square root 3 minus 1 minus square root 3. Side length cannot be negative. So we will reject minus 1 minus square root 3. So x will be equal to root 3 minus 1 or minus 1 plus root 3. Now we have to find AB and AC. So if we will apply Pythagoras theorem in ADC, we can write this will be equal to square root x square plus x square, which will be equal to square root 2 times x. So in terms of x, AC is root 2x and AB is 2x. Let's find AB equal to 2x equal to 2 times root 3 minus 1 units. AC will be equal to root 2 times x equal to root 2 times root 3 minus 1, which will be equal to root 6 minus root 2 units. So here we have side length AB and AC. This is our method number 1. Now we will take up second method or method number 2. Angle B is 30, angle C is 45, so angle A will be equal to 105 degrees. Now we will find sine 105 degrees, which will be equal to sine 60 plus 45. Using identity from trigonometry, sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So we will write sine A, which is sine 60, cos 45 plus cos 60 sine 45. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. Cos 45 is 1 over root 2 or root 2 over 2. Plus cos 60 is half. Sine 45 is root 2 over 2 or 1 over root 2. Now we can write this will be equal to root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. This is the value of sine 105 degrees. Now we'll apply sine rule. So if I will write here sine rule, this angle is 105. Opposite side of angle A is small a, which is given 2 units. Opposite side of angle B will be B, which we are going to find. Opposite side of angle C is small c, which we have to find. Now sine rule is sine A over side length A. So I will write here sine A over A, which is sine 105 over 2, equal to sine B over B. We will write sine 30 over B, equal to sine C over C, side length C, to sine 45 over C. If we will equate these two, we are going to write B will be equal to 2 sine 30 over sine 105. Sine 30 is half, so we will write 2 times half in the numerator over root 3 plus 1 over 2 root 2. That 2 root 2 we will write in the numerator. Now we are going to rationalize the denominator. So we will multiply here with root 3 minus 1. So in the numerator, root 3 minus 1. Now 2 and 2 will be over. In denominator, we are going to write 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this 2 will get cancelled out, numerator 2. So we are going to write root 2 times root 3 minus 1. Or we will write root 6 minus root 2 using sine rule. This is B, which is side length AC. Now we have to equate these two. So I can write here sine 30 is half over B equal to sine 45 is 1 over root 2 over C will be equal to 1 over 2B equal to 1 over root 2 times C. So we will write 2B equal to root 2 times C, or we can write root 2 times B equal to C. So C will be equal to root 2 times B. B is known. We will write here C will be equal to root 2 times root 6 minus root 2. This is nothing but root of 12 minus 2. Now root of 12 is 2 root 3 minus 2, or we can write 2 times root 3 minus 1. This is our C, and C is AB. Here we can match our answer from both the methods. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.